Hello everyone. There are innumerable techniques in painting. Painting without a brush is what we shall see today. Not just painting. Let's make memories for lifetime with our kids as we make these hand-painted diyas for Diwali. As I mentioned earlier, we are not using a brush today. Instead, we are using a piece of sponge to paint our diyas. Just dip the sponge in the paint and dab it on the diya this way. You don't have to be perfect because you'll get to know what we're doing after this. Now, while it is still wet, just sprinkle some glitter on it and turn it into a sparkling diya. For the next one, I coated the diya in red and then stuck a stone lace on the top of the diya with some glue this way. Well, you may play with colors like the way I did. And for this blue one, I've decided to decorate it with white, and for that I'm using a toothpick. And then for this pink one, I'm using these 3D paints, just simply putting some dots over it to decorate the diya. And for this next one, I applied some blue color on top of the orange diya and then just dipped it in some glitter. And for this next one, I cut the stones off the lace and stuck them on the diya. Well, I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, do comment, share and subscribe crazily easy. I wish you all a happy Diwali.